Hi everybody, it's Taylor, Starpil's lead educator, and today I'm going to go over our silicone insert for our 5-pound professional warmer. So our professional warmer comes with a removable metal tin, and now you will use our silicone insert. So to put this in, you will make sure that the lip-free edge is in the front, and just plop that in there. If you are noticing that it is taking longer for your wax to melt down using the metal insert, you will notice a huge difference using the silicone insert. So I'm gonna melt some wax down for you guys so you can see what it looks like in the silicone insert. All right guys, I have my wax melted down in my silicone insert. This insert comes in 3 colors, the pink you see here, clear, and black. So we also have our silicone spatulas as well. Both of these are reusable. Like I said, if you are noticing with the metal tin that it takes longer for your wax to melt down, you will notice using this, it will melt down a lot quickly. Also, when you stir the silicone insert, it won't move around like the removable tin does. Cleaning both of these, warm water and dish soap. No alcohol, no oils, nothing else, because the silicone will absorb it and affect how they both work. All right guys, I showed you how to use our silicone insert. As always, if you have any questions, give us a call at 305-907-0756 or email in at info@starpilwax.com. Bye.